You may be Good afternoon, Ms. Jordan, distinguished guests, BHS faculty, family, friends, and most importantly, my fellow graduating class of 2010. Today I have the privilege of introducing our platform guests, some of whom come here today to help us celebrate this joyous occasion. Ms. Regina McCarter Jacobs Esquire, Chairperson Jordan's Board of Education, Ms. Heather Lipp, Member Prince George's Board of Education, District 2, Ms. Amber Waller, Member Speech in Spanish.
I'm okay. No distraction.
I would like to also acknowledge Delegate Jolie Knight, who's joined us today. And all of our colleagues, thank you so much for celebrating with us today. To our graduates, your parents, your family, your grandparents, our superintendent, and members of the executive staff, to all of you who have joined us, I extend to you on behalf of the Prince George's County Board of Education a warm and gracious welcome to the commencement exercise for the 2010.
So how are you?
Good.
So you graduated, yeah?
Yes.
So what is your name?
Brittany Dixon.
Okay, so what is your average points?
3.5, I think.
Okay, so you ready for college?
Yes.
Okay, are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Oh, very good.
Out of
So,
high school is really good.
okay, good. So, mom, we're looking for her too. Okay. Good, good, good.
Where are you guys sitting?
Just when I graduate again.
You guys like the whole program?
Huh?
Like the whole program?
Of course, yes, we like it. Okay. Okay, so let us go find mom. Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. So let's go get some picture, okay?
I would never found them either. They were way
I heard Yatu was speaking. You who? Yatu. Go ahead.
Camera.
Yeah, this is my friend who had the close friend. Oh,
That's one of my trademarks.
Where's your hood?
you lady.
Okay, good job, guys. Good job, ladies. Okay.
You in trouble?
University of Maryland, n'est-ce pas? Ok, ça va. Ok.